A top Central Intelligence Organization CIO officer and a senior prison official were killed in a horrific road accident in Masvingo on Tuesday evening, rekindling concerns about the alarming number of unexplained deaths involving senior security service personnel since Zimbabwe's 2017 military coup. Sanapena mashoko atoona kuti another top CIO boss panguva ino ofa oshaika in a horrific crash. Notable subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipila mnomugula nyamamchinzi. Gift Nyama, the CIO, head for Gotu District and Provincial Correctional Officer Masimba Blessing Mandimutsira of Mutimurefu Prison died in a 3-vehicle pileup near the Mutimurefu Prison bus stop along the Masvingo Mutare Highway. Nyama had just attended a farewell party reportedly held at 2 Infantry Brigade at Vandawana Growth Point in Gutu. He said to have been driving from the event when tragedy struck. According to early reports, Nyama's vehicle rammed into a stationary tractor abandoned in the middle of the road without lights or reflectors, while prison officers including Mandimutsira rushed to the scene to assist. A second vehicle, a Ford Ranger, driven by Chief Superintendent Simangaliso Dube, officer commanding Masvingo Central District, approached at speed. In an attempt to avoid the pileup, Dube reportedly veered off the road and struck Mandimutsira. Nyama is said to have died instantly after breaking his neck, while Mandimutsira succumbed to his injuries at Masvingo Provincial Hospital. Sources told the Mirror that the farewell party had been attended by high-profile figures including Kota Majonjo, a ZANU-PF provincial youth executive member for Ward 33 in Gutu, indicating the deep political and military connection of those involved. The crash occurred at a known black spot that has claimed the lives of 2 other officers in the past year. The Zimbabwe Public Police Provincial Spokesperson Inspector Kudakwa Shedewa was unavailable for comment, but Superintendent Francis Makonese, officer in charge of prisons in Masvingo, confirmed the accident in a statement. Thomas Kwaruda Pangwa ino tudze mafunguro elmu tudi pamusoro pechitiko chimira comment section medu. So subscribe or like, so bell icon.